to Tea Time with Nat. I have a quick one today. We are going to discuss 4 quick ways to get your investment property rented quickly. Tip number 1, price your property correctly for your market. You don't want to overprice it and then risk it sitting vacant longer than necessary. And then you lose out on vacancy costs, and those are costs that you can't make back for that year. Tip number 2, saturate your market with your property's availability. You're not going to rent it if people can't find it. Tip number 3, always answer your inquiries within 24 hours, if not sooner, that you receive them. You'll be surprised at how this response rate is for most of these tenants or prospective tenants looking for homes. Sometimes they don't ever hear back. And tip number 4, make sure you take care of your maintenance issues. Couple reasons why. 1, you don't want something this big turning into a huge problem later on down the road. And 2, you want your home to be in rent-ready condition, especially if you're in the Orlando area. Rents have increased so high that renters are looking to make sure that it's a product worth their dollar amount. If I'm paying close to $2,000 for a house, if not more than that, then I want it to be in tip-top shape. I understand it's a rental property, people have probably lived here in the past, but anything that you can do to make that home glisten and shine, make sure you do that. People are paying top dollar for your property. And that's it. 4 quick ways. Now get that property rented. Bye.